Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Peter. On my channel you see videos of custom built scale models or RC cars I built for myself or for customers. In this video today I'm going to restore this Mercedes SL R129 from Norev for a good customer of me. It's not really in a bad shape, but it got something work to do. Like the hardtop is broken and the color is not really the real color like the car in real life. So let's change it. The car is already nicely detailed. It's 1/18 scale and it even got real cloth on the floor. But first, let's take it apart. The car is held together with some Phillips screws. And when you got your screws out, you can take the body of the chassis and you can take out the interior top. Everything is screwed together, like the doors, the dashboard, the trunk and the bonnet. So it's very easy to take it apart. And when you are liking this video, please like, share, comment or subscribe. And watch my whole video please. You help me a lot. The body wasn't in a bad shape, so it only had to do with a light sanding, and after that I put on the primer. And when that was drying, I decided to cut out the broken window from the hardtop and make a new one for it. I think the R129 is one of the most beautiful cars from Mercedes they built the last couple of 20-30 years. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. The old broken window is out. Now let's see how the car turned out with its primer. I think it turned out great. Only a couple of minor things to do, like sanding the hardtop and sanding some parts on the bumpers. I wasn't happy with. After I finished sanding, it was time for its final color. There's a little bit pearl effect in it, so here you see the color change. The first coat of green is going on. And this was after 3 coats. After the color, I let it dry for 24 hours and after that it was time for clear coat. I put on 3 layers of clear for the nice shine. After the clear coat, I let it dry for 24 hours and I'm going to rebuild the car. It's a really easy task. Just screw everything together. In the meanwhile, I ordered some new wheels for the car. So I hope they arrive soon, so I can go on with the project. I can do a lot of talking, but just let the video do the talking. But then it was time to make the interior more realistic, so I added some real leather in the trunk and put on some beige leather on the A-pillar, just like the real car. I made some sun visors and I added a mirror, because that one was missing from the original model. And after that it was time to put everything back together. I love it how the Norev models are built. They are very easy to work with. So, the body is back on the chassis. Now let's see what we are going to do. It's already looking like a complete car again, and I'm happy how it turned out. All opening parts are working properly, so yeah, I'm happy with it. The interior didn't need much work, only some details like sun visors, a mirror and some other beige color things. So let's close everything and let's wait on the mailman when he arrives with the new wheels. And then the mailman came. So I painted the wheels already. I gave them a light coat of primer, and after that I put on a chrome coat. And after that I put on the tires. And do you want your own 3D printed wheels for your own scale model? Link in description where you can buy them. After the wheels were mounted, I decided to give the car a quick polish and cleaning everything inside, because it's almost done to go to its owner. Only just a couple of things to do, like a new window for the hardtop, and some emblems and some details. And with this, the project is coming to an end. I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope you enjoyed this build, and when you're not already subscribed, I ask you please subscribe or like, share or comment and put on your notifications bell. I hope I see you the next time. Bye bye.